Good day, everyone. I'll be taking you through on how to use add text tool. Okay, so and let's just first of all go ahead and sketch on a front plane, and let's just assume we needed to sketch the circle. All right, so we will write some text on this circle. Okay, around the circle. So let's just go ahead and then click on this text, and then you have a arc or arc. Okay, so this could be an arc, a sketch, or whatever, a line or whatever, which you want to write your text on. So let's just go ahead and add a text. See that. So let's just bring it together. So you can see that it has a new text. Okay, so you may want to take it, flip it over, so and then you align it. Okay, see that new text. So and then you may want to make it bold. So okay, and then several other things you want to make it indented. Or probably just lift it up. Alright, so those are several tools you could actually use to add text and so on and so forth. Another thing I want to show you is line point. Okay, so this tool is meant for adding points. So you can actually use to add point, assuming you want to add points inside of the circle. Okay, and then to enable you sketch something. Or all right, so that's it. And if you want to add a text on this line, you can actually do that. So let's just add a text. New S. Let's just flip it over and then make it central. All right, so you can see that that's that. So that's that on this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. And then if you have any problem, you can drop in us on the comment section. Next tutorial, I'll be actually talking about trim entities and several other things. So have a nice day.